Hi all. In the e-commerce world, we find business consumer are the digital representation of a company and a powerful e-commerce tool. In the e-commerce world, we find business consumer transactions and business to business transaction. In this way, e-catalogs are excellent communication tool between a company and its clients, suppliers or other companies.
Let's discuss electronic commerce catalogs or directories. Directories perform an essential support function that guides customers in a maze of options by enabling the organization of the information space. Finding things, users, data, or application in a distributed network is the task of the directory service.
Let's see what are directory services. Directory services are one of the most fundamental component of e-commerce. Technically, they are the least understood and have been an invisible component in network architecture.
What are the types of directories? There are two types, white pages and yellow pages. Let's see the definition. White pages is used to refer to the section of a telephone directory which lists names and telephone numbers in alphabetical order. The white page is a list of telephone subscribers in a telephone directory. White pages may also refer to White Pages UDDI. It is a protocol used to discover web services. White Pages as a company, a provider of contact information for people and business. Mainly it is used in Canada and US.
Do you hear whitepages.com.au? It is an online searchable census directory of contact information for businesses, government departments, organizations, and people in Australia.
Let's say White Pages schema. It is a data model used for organizing the data contained in a directory service. What are the advantages of white pages? Online web page directory are very easy to use. There's another advantage. It provides an alphabetical listing of business within a specific geographical area. What are the disadvantages? It includes only the phone number of person. Second disadvantage is it does not give you the contact detail of a person. Let's say yellow pages. The yellow pages are for businesses and organizations. Listing in the yellow pages are grouped by category. Yellow pages are used for advertising and many businesses includes photos and brief blurbs of information about their business. For example, all accountants will be categorized under the accountant heading and all dentists will be categorized under the dentist. Got it? In large categories, there are subgroups. Under the restaurant category will be listed for different kinds of cuisines and they are grouped for convenience such as restaurants and restaurants that serve Chinese food are grouped together. In some cases, businesses and organizations are grouped by location, such as the Spring, Pasadena area of Houston, like that. Got it? Thank you.